What's up, my YouTube family? It's your girl Plant Mama T, and I'm back with another video. Today I will be talking about my Dragon Scale Alocasia. We have so much to cover. On my channel, I do talk about how I use plants to help me with my anxiety and depression. If this is something that you're interested in, please stick around and watch this video. I'm so excited today. Obviously, my depression levels are at an extreme low because I have some exciting news to tell you. So get right into it. I'm in love with Dragon Scale Alocasia. Like, how could you not love a leaf that just looks like this? It's so beautiful. It's so gorgeous. Like, I don't know, they look like little brains or turtlebacks to me. Alocasias are known for other leaves dying off when it has a new leaf coming through. So that could have possibly been the reason why the other one died off. However, backstory on the alocasia. Now, I've been talking about this alocasia in a few videos, and I've never told the story. Story time. So, I bought my first Dragon Scale Alocasia, I want to say maybe the end of June, beginning of July. Today's August 31st, so about maybe 2 months ago. Didn't know anything about alocasias. I knew nothing about rare plants, anything like that, uncommon plants. When I saw it in the store, I was like, that is so gorgeous. And I looked at it and it was $99. So I'm thinking, this plant store is tripping. They have to be overpricing these plants. Again, I knew nothing about rare and uncommon plants, so I did some research and I found out the reason why it was priced at $99. However, the plant store had it marked at 40% off. So I had to get it because how could you not want something that looks like that, right? So I got this one. This was my first Dragon Scale Alocasia. And no, it did not look like this when I got it. So it looked like this. Well, actually, it looked like this smaller leaf. And I didn't even get to see it grow to get this big because it had died. So I took it out, I replanted it, and I repotted it so that I can put it in some new soil because, you know, anytime when you get a plant from a plant nursery, you want to repot it because you don't know anything about the history of that soil. You don't know how long it's been sitting in the soil, anything like, you don't know what's in the soil. You just don't know. So you want to welcome it into your environment and you want to give it something fresh. So repotted it. I made my soil extremely too dry. It was extremely draining. Very well draining soil mix that I created. So I had to go down to South Carolina for 2 days, and it wasn't even a full 2 days. I watered it before I left. I left on a Friday. I came back on a Sunday, right? I came back to a sad, half-dead Alocasia Dragon Scale. I was so hurt. I was like, I was frantic. I looked up what I needed to do to try to save it, and it didn't work. It didn't work at all. It was a goner. The leaf was done. So I just held on to the dying leaf for as long as I could until it looked like this. And then I just cut it back. But then the plant gods came through for me, okay? Because then it started to look like this. All right? So we had growth coming. History that I learned of the alocasias is that they will die, but that does not mean that they're dead. As long as the roots are good, then the plant is good. So the leaf had died, but the roots were still alive, right? So I just kept, nurturing it like it was still a well and healthy plant. And we're here. We're here. So I'm proud again. And I can't wait for this to look like this. So now I have 2 alocasias. I might sell one. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna keep this one until, it grows more and I see what it does, and then we'll go from there. But if you have an alocasia and you kill it, don't throw it away. That's my advice that I have for today. That's it for this video. I really appreciate you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, please go ahead and subscribe. until the next video, go buy some plants. Tell them I sent you. I'll see you on the next video.